Please rise and still standing and receive the Vice President of the Republic of Nigeria.
From today, your words and actions will undergo more intense scrutiny, occasionally even rigorous criticism. Therefore, it is absolutely essential to exercise discretion in both your public and private lives and to avoid any action or actions that will tarnish the reputation of the government. This retreat marks your first awakening. It provides you with the opportunity to exchange ideas, gain valuable practical insights, and engage in meaningful discussions. You are here to benefit from the wisdom of seasoned experts, whether in the realm of security or public administration. I wholeheartedly encourage your active involvement, urge you to seek clarity, and invite you to share your unique perspectives.
Here to look at how to manage what I call our bosses interrelationship. And not only that, we are here to see what is the schedule of duty of the principal staffs, principal aides of our principals, if you understand what I mean now. What do we do? How do we do it in a way as not to in any way embarrass our principals? Not only that, we are here to also look at the relationship with other tiers of government, National Assembly, as well as the judiciary. It is important, we've soon discovered in the course of our lecture, the interrelationship between the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. It may sound seamless, but the reality is that one is like a watchdog on the other. How do we manage information? How do we behave? How do we even comport ourselves? What are our dress codes? These are things we are here to carefully look into. Permit me, therefore, Sir Your Excellency, sir, to present to you one of the best aides you can ever have in Nigeria. In the little time we have spent, they have demonstrated their sense of commitment, loyalty, readiness to throw their weight behind the success of our God-given administration in